Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites, a Google Cloud project with billing, and the place's API enabled. Create an API key now, restrict it to your app's domain or server IP to reduce risks. Once done, set quotas and alerts so you do not exceed free tiers unexpectedly. Make sure to store the key securely in environment variables or a secrets manager. Do not hard-code it in client-side code. These steps let you move to implementation with safety and cost control. You now build requests, pick the endpoint that matches your goal, search for lists, details for full info, autocomplete for UX. Construct queries with the API key, input or location coordinates, radius or bounds, and desired fields to reduce payload size. Once a response arrives, check HTTP status and the API's status field, then extract place ID, name, address components, and geometry. Make sure to respect rate limits. Implement exponential backoff on 429 or 503 errors, so your app remains stable under load. Finish by integrating data into your app, map markers, search lists, and cached responses to speed repeat lookups. Route sensitive requests through a server-side proxy to keep keys hidden and rotate keys on schedule. Restrict referrers and monitor usage daily. If something breaks, enable verbose logging, reproduce with sample coordinates, and read the API status messages. Common fixes include missing fields, quota exhaustion, or incorrect referrer restrictions. If you hit rate limits,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.